In this video, we'll see what are the types of variables in Java. We'll discuss briefly about what are the types of variables, and then we'll move on to the coding part. Okay, so let's write types of variables in Java. Okay, so variable is divided into three types: local, instance, and static. Okay, so now we'll discuss each and every variable here. Local variable declared within a individual method. Declared within an individual method. Okay, so the local variables are declared within an individual method. Okay, so they don't require any object creation. They don't require any object creation. They are directly accessed. They are accessed directly. Okay, so local variables don't require any object creation. They are declared within an individual method. Okay, they are declared within an individual method. So the next what is the next one, which is instance variables. So instance variables require object creation. Object creation. Okay, so they are declared inside the class, but not inside the method. Okay, so they are declared inside the class. They are declared inside the class, but not inside the method. Okay, so instance variables require object creation, so they are declared inside the class but not inside the method. So whereas static variables are same as local variables, they don't require any object creation. Static variables doesn't require any object creation. Okay, so that doesn't require any object creation, and they are declared using static keyword, and they are declared using static keyword. Okay, I hope you understand what these sentences mean. So let's see the implementation of all these three variables in the coding part. Previously, we have seen an introduction to the types of variables in Java. Now we'll see the implementation. So let's start by creating a package. Oops. Now we'll create a class. So class name should be same as the file created. What is the file created? Variables demo. So class name should be same as file name. Variables demo. Okay, now we'll create a main method. Public static void main string args. Okay, this is our main method. So we'll see the local variable first. So what is the criteria for writing the local variable? So local variable is declared inside a method, and they doesn't require any object creation, and they are accessed directly. Okay, so let's declare a local variable here, int a equal to 10. Now we can directly print it. System dot out dot println. You can give a here. Okay, so now if I run it, we can see it is printing 10. Okay, now let's change this statement to local variable equal to plus a. Okay, so if I run it, see, it is giving me local variable equal to 10. Okay, so now we'll see the instance variable. So instance variable, what is the criteria for declaring an instance variable? So instance variables are declared outside the method and inside the class. So this is a class and this is a method. Okay, so this is a method. So we have to declare in between these two, we have to declare the instance variable. Okay, let's say int b equal to 20. So I have declared an instance variable which is int b equal to 20. Let's print whether it gives me the output or not. Println instance variable equal to plus b. Okay, if I try to run it, so it will be giving me the exception. Okay, so what is the error here? Cannot make a static reference to the non-static field. Okay, so what we have to do is instance variable can be accessed only after the object creation. Okay, they can be accessed only after object creation. So we have to create an object for class variables demo. And we have to give the variable here obj equal to new variables demo. Okay, so this is our object creation, and here we can give any object name. It's not mandatory to give obj. Okay, so this is our object creation, and what is the next step? Next step is we have to give this object variable to our instance variable. Okay, so we have to combine both these variables together using dot. Okay, so obj dot b. Okay, so let me clear this. So now if I try to run this, it will give me the local variable instance variable. So it is giving me the instance variable 20. Okay, so 20, we are getting the value as 20 here. So that is the importance of object creation. So instance variables works only with the object creation. They are accessed only with the object creation. Next, we'll move on to the static variable. So inside static variable, we have to declare a static keyword, and they are accessed directly without any object creation. So let's declare a static keyword in c equal to 30. Okay, so now we can declare it directly. System dot out dot println. So this is a static variable equal to plus c. Okay, this is a static variable. So if I run it, we will get the three variables now: local, instance, and static. So in this way, we can implement three types of variables. So this is how these three variables work. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.